In this video, I will quickly show you how to open a support ticket in the help desk in the event you need assistance from our support staff. Once you've logged into your client dashboard, select the support icon from the menu at the top. You can also click the profile option from the menu and then select Helpdesk. On the next page, you will click Add New Ticket. On the following page, you will select a category for your request, give it a title, and then a detailed explanation of your request. Be sure to include as much information as possible and upload any supporting images, screenshots, or files. This will allow our support staff to resolve your inquiry as quickly as possible. Lastly, we will click Submit. As the dialogue continues between you and our support staff, the responses will be displayed in the order they were sent. At any time, you can access your tickets by selecting the Help Desk option from the top menu. Our support staff is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and will respond to your ticket within 2 minutes. Thanks for watching.